Today in front of me I have the Apple Watch Series 10, and in this video we will unbox this brand new smartwatch and see together what accessories, items and things it generally comes with. So without any further shenanigans, let's jump right into it. So here you have those little ears that you probably can unfold like that, yep, and the box itself gets also opened this way, so it's pretty neat and well thought of design. So we can take out everything that this little cover holds. So, and in my particular case it holds the Apple Watch themselves or itself and the Nike branded straps. As far as I can see, let's check what is written here. So the Nike Sport Band, which is the hook and loop closure. Well, I guess. So I guess the Apple Watch itself is way more interesting, so let's unbox it first. So here you have two paper strips that you need to peel off in order for the box to become accessible and in order for you to be able to, well, unbox this watch. So let's peel off both of them, and now the box or the Apple Watch should come right out. Yep, as it does. Now here you have the display or the, well, computer, the smartwatch itself, which is packed into this neat case that protects it from scratches or possible shipping damages that it may encounter. So that's what the watch itself looks like. Let's try powering it on, or actually this is the power button. Let's try powering it on and see what the display of this smartwatch looks like. How good are the colors that it displays, or just generally, I guess. Anyway, I had the Apple Watch 5 and this Apple Watch looks awfully like it. Not too many difference what I can see. I mean, from the surface, obviously. Inside the watch itself, it has way more sensors and way more features than my Apple Watch 5 did, but generally the general impression that I have, it's pretty much the same, I guess. Anyway, let's see what else we got here. So the paper, or no, not the paperwork. This one is the charging cable, so Type-C to magnetic charger. That's what it looks like, as you can see. Let me actually take this cable off and see how good are the magnets, so how well the Apple Watch is going to be held by the charger. So should you worry while leaving it charging that it will fall off from your countertop or table or not? But knowing Apple, you probably shouldn't. Yeah, as you can see, the magnet is it's decent. It's not that strong, to be perfectly honest with you guys, but it's decent. I guess it shouldn't fall by itself, but if it will be pushed accidentally or like slided accidentally, it probably will come apart. So note that, I guess. Now let's open the band or the belt for this watch and mount it to see how the smartwatch will look on my hand. So here you also have this little paper strip that you can, or that you should peel in order for the box to be, well, opened. So that's what those bands look like in real life. So here you also get the paperwork, but that's obviously not something we are interested in. So let me carefully, or try to carefully take out the band. If I can do that, that would be pretty neat. I wish. Let me see, maybe I'm missing something. Or am I? I guess not. You can just take it out like that. Yep, and it should be fine. Yep, here you go. So it has the Velcro as its closing mechanism, should I say. I also had a Velcro strap until it until it got opened and my Apple Watch got trashed. So be careful, I guess. Let's quickly power the device off here. Yep. Now let's slide those belts into place. Yep, here you go. And the other end or the other side as well. Did I guess I did. Yeah, let me quickly take them out and position them in different or at different angles, so I will actually be able to close the strap. Let's see. You'll get a hang of it eventually. Yep, it should go here probably. And now somewhere here, I guess. Give me a second here. I'll quickly do that off camera, so you will not be forced to look at my struggle here, and I'll get back to you when I'll actually mount this band. So give me a few seconds here. So yep, I was finally able to mount those belts. All that you gotta do is to follow the instructions that you'll get alongside the strap itself, so don't be like me and refer to the manual to properly mount those belts. It's not complicated, and well, as always, just refer to the manual. And that's what those Apple Watch or that Apple Watch looks like on your wrist. So that's the, by the way, that's the 46mm version, I guess. Yep, let's see. Yep, so 46mm. That's what it looks like on my wrist. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So should you have any questions regarding the unboxing of this watch, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.